Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about find the area of the triangle. We have three vertices 2, 0, 4, 6, 0, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 2. So we put capital A, B and C for each vertex. So we can put like this. The next step, we need to find the vector AP and the vector AC. So we use the number from the point P minus point 8. So 6 minus 2, 0 minus 0, and minus 1 minus 4. And we got about 4, 0, and minus 5. The next one that is about AC. We have C is about 0 in here, so we have 0 minus 2. Number 2 minus 0 and minus 2 minus 4, and that's the about minus 2, number 2 and minus 6. The next step we will use about cross product, and that's the about vector AP with vector AC in here. So we will use about the matrix. This is about S, so we use number 0, minus 5, number 2 and minus 6. This is about for the Y and the Y in here, so the next number should be minus 5, then go to 4, minus 6, then go back to minus 2. And the last one, that's about Z, so we have 4, 0, minus 2 and number 2. We calculate this matrix in here. 0 multiplied with minus 6, and we have the minus 2 multiplied with minus 5. This one become the 0, so minus 2 multiplied with minus 5, you got about 10. Minus 5 multiplied with minus 2, you got about 10. And minus 6 multiplied with number 4, and we have another negative sign next to it here, so that's why we have 10 plus 60 plus 24, you got about 34. 4 multiplied with 2 is about 8, because we have the 0 in here, so we don't need to calculate. So the formula of area of triangle is about 1 over 2 with this one, and we have the answer in here, 10 power 2 plus 34 power 2 plus 8 power 2, and we got the final answer is about the square root 330, and this is the final answer we need to find. That's the end. Thank you for watching.